Your Excellency Dr. Sampaio, United Nations Secretary General Special Envoy to Stop TB, Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, representatives of civil society, ladies and gentlemen. We bring you Dr. Sampaio, grand friend of Africa and Mozambique, in particular, warm praises for the noble initiative of raising the debate on the lethal association between TB and HIV and AIDS co-infection. We extend our salutations to the heads of state and government and other dignitaries for having responded positively to the invitation to take part in this debate. In Mozambique, we view HIV and AIDS as a serious obstacle to our development. The reduction from 16.2% to 16% of the prevalence of HIV infections encourages us to proceed with the prevention campaign, but this high rate remains a cause for great concern. Furthermore, our country ranks among the 22 most affected by TB in the world. In response to the challenge posed by TB and HIV co-infection, we have taken collaborative TB and HIV activities seriously by setting up of a national TB HIV task force involving all stakeholders. As a result of this initiative, in 2007, 68% of all TB patients were tested for HIV. Of the 47% that were found to be HIV infected, 93% received cotrimoxazole representative therapy, and 33% started antiretroviral treatment. In the same context, we facilitate access of patients in need to TB and HIV diagnosis, treatment, and care. This strategy includes voluntary counseling to TB patients and provision, free of charge, of TB HIV package to those in need. However, in the implementation of our programs, we face serious constraints. One of these relates to the fact that only about 50% of the population can be served by the National Health Service. The other relates to shortage of human resources and insufficient laboratory networks. Despite these and other constraints, Mozambique remains committed to continue providing special attention to the TB-HIV lethal connection. In this regard, we will continue pulling our human and financial resources together to ensure increased access to TB-HIV care. We will also continue working with our partners in the expansion of the health network and improved institutional capacity. We reiterate our great appreciation to you, Dr. Sampaio, and to the UN for the leadership which is contributing to fashioning out a coherent front against these strictly connected diseases, TB and HIV. We all stand to benefit from this initiative. Thank you very much.